Good day guys, Alvin here again, Mahal Kita RC. Welcome. Mahal Kita RC is about radio controlled vehicles and models. Today we have 1/10 scale, very nice looking Volkswagen Scirocco on the racetrack. Look at that Scirocco guys. Very nice decals, very nice details. Volkswagen Scirocco now ready to run. Let me put this one on. Okay, let's go. Not too bad. Not too bad for this Scirocco. No, almost lost control. Nice day today guys. This Scirocco is running nicely. Wide turn day Scirocco. Not too bad for this Scirocco. Okay, nice one. I think it's a wide turn there. Oh no! I hope it didn't damage the car. I hope it didn't damage the car. Not too bad for this Scirocco. I like the feel of the transmitter. Okay, like a sharper turn. Yeah, that's good. Sharper turn. Not so bad. Sharper turn. Very good. Sharp turn. Oh no! Got a big hump there. Oh, sharp turn there. Very good. No. Nice one. Oh, wide turn. Almost lost the control.
Mine is out of power.
Good sharp turn. Sharp turn there.
Why is mine on? Oh,
Very good. Sharp turn. Sharp turn. Good one.